one of the most nutritious grains on earth. Ragi fields stretching to the horizon, ready for harvest. A fleet of harvesters, cutting thousands of acres of ragi every single day. Cut at the base. Thousands of ragi plants fed into the harvester every minute. Grain transferred directly. Freshly harvested ragi by the ton. A state-of-the-art American milling facility, built to process ragi at massive industrial scale. Into the receiving hopper, tons of ragi arriving non-stop. Each grain barely larger than a sesame seed, reddish-brown, smooth, and packed with iron and calcium. Pre-cleaned first, straw and large debris removed, before fine cleaning begins. Air aspiration. Chaff and dust lifted away. Clean ragi falling through. Every stone removed, protecting the mill and the flour quality. Fine screened to consistent size. Only perfect grains move to the next stage. Washed clean. Surface dust and residue rinsed before drying. Surface water spun off. Excess moisture removed before the drying section. Dried at exact temperature. Moisture reduced to precise specification for milling. Moisture verified. Ragi dried to the exact level the mill demands. Clean, dried ragi stored in modern silos. Millions of pounds ready for milling. Tempered precisely. Moisture adjusted to the exact level that optimizes ragi flour yield. First break. Ragi cracked open by precision rollers for the first time. First sift. Broken ragi separated by particles, flour beginning to emerge. Smooth rolls reduce the middlings, grinding finer and finer with every pass. Stage after stage, each roller mill reducing ragi to finer and finer flour. Bran separated from flour, the purifier cleaning every particle of ragi endosperm. Ragi bran collected separately. Rich in fiber, a valuable product in itself. Lumps broken apart. The impact detacher ensuring uniform ragi flour consistency. Final sift, only the finest ragi flour passes through. Ragi flour, pale grey-brown, fine and rich with nutrition, flowing by the ton. Weighed with precision. Every package exact, down to the gram. Filled by the thousands, ragi flour bags sealed at high speed. £50 per sack. Filling continuously for restaurant and wholesale buyers.